I welcome you back again to another awesome video lecture on Python programming for absolute beginners by Emenwa Global. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about strings and variables in Python programming and how to use them in our programs. Let's move over to our computers now and get started immediately. Okay, so I've taught about variables and you've understood what variables are, that just placeholders. And now, let's go ahead and create some variables like a is equal to, or let's say name is equal to Joe, and that should be a string, Joe, and let's say age is equal to a thing, and I want to print out, let me say print is equal to, I'm saying his name, put it in a string, I'm going to say his name is, click comma, and I'm going to say name. Let's go ahead and print this out. Wow, where I said print equals, wow, I would have gotten a fatal error. The fatal error would have been much. So go ahead and hit on run first project and his name is Joe. Okay, I hope that is cool. So let's go ahead and say print, and I'm going to say, let's go ahead and say his name is, you don't need to put this here, so his name is name, and put a comma, and I'm gonna say, and his age is age. So I'm going to comment the first one so it doesn't confuse us, and go ahead and run this. Let's check it out. His name is Joe and his age is 18. So that is cool. So the next thing I want to clear us about is, go ahead and remove this. Oh, you go ahead and comment this so it doesn't come up again. Now, if I have a is equal to 3, and this is a string, and I have b is equal to 2. Now, someone might just come in and say, print a plus b. So, do you think this will give us 5? Let's check it out, and I believe it's not. So, you see that? This is 32 and not 32. This does not give you 32, this gives you 32. The reason because this is a string. So if you really need this to give you 32, it means that you have to convert this. And if you want to do that, you go ahead and set this to be int a, and go ahead and change this to int b. You have to convert this and go ahead and run this code and run first project, and you see that that is 5. And now you can be able to do other things like int a and multiply int b, run this code, and that is 6. So if that isn't a string format, and if you want to use that, you have to convert that to integer values before you can be able to use that. Alright, I hope that is cool. And I'm going to comment this, and I'm going to show us, wow, I really removed that. So I am keeping this here so that you can be able to put it down. And remember, I am commenting that so you don't make mistake in using it again. But go ahead and remove the comment around the code. It's going to work out very fine for you. So now you've learned how to do this, and we can be able to convert the string to integers and use them anyhow you want. And that is very easy at the moment. So Uplift is very interesting. So what we need now is to also learn more about variables and string. So what if you have A is equal to, this is all about string. So these are about string, and what I print that out is just very simple. Print A and run the code. And this is all about string. So Uplift, you are very good in it, and you can go ahead and put it down. I make sure I treat about this because most beginners will not understand this. That is why I have to make this lecture in order to clear this so that you can be able to know how to convert from string to integers and do everything you want to do. So now that you've gotten what we need here, and you can go ahead and try it out and make sure that you're on a positive side. If you have any question under this video lecture, please use your question and answer sections, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in next video lecture.